Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to OnlyFans application. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. First of all, go through your app drawer and launch open OnlyFans application from the app drawer. Soon after you tap open the OnlyFans application, to log into your account, you will need to enter your email address and your password that is associated with OnlyFans account. If you don't have an OnlyFans account yet, tap on the sign up for OnlyFans link at the bottom of the screen. If you already have an existing account, you will need to first type in the email tab appearing at the top. Once typing in the email, you will need to enter your password for OnlyFans account. If you don't remember your password, click Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. If you remember your password, type it down in the password field. Finally, tap on Login and you will be logged into your OnlyFans account. You can also log in using Twitter or Google account if you want to sign in quicker and easier. After hitting on Login, and if your credentials are correct, you will be able to log into OnlyFans application in just a matter of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.